here. Everyone's energized. I believe clapping your hands is a great way to activate your mind, your body, your soul. And that's exactly what we're going to talk to you about in a bit. But before that, I'm going to invite on stage Amanpreet Bajaj, the General Manager for Airbnb in India and Southeast Asia, Hong Kong and Taiwan, the man who makes magic happen at Airbnb. Aman, over to you.
Thank you, Prasida, and great vibe. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amanpreet. I'm very excited to be here amongst all of you. Very warm welcome to our friends from media, our amazing content creators who have always been of great support. And I just wanted to share something new in terms of what's happening at Airbnb. And we'll kind of rush straight into it. Just one more spin. So, as Prasida mentioned, we have always had something memorable, something magical to offer, and we have something in the wellness space today, but more on that a little later. Let me just start by sharing a little bit more about people who maybe don't know much about Airbnb. So, Airbnb was born in 2007 when two friends in San Francisco welcomed 3 guests into their home. In fact, one of those 3 guests was a man from India. In fact, from Mumbai. So the genesis of Airbnb has a very strong Mumbai connection, and that makes me very happy. But what started in San Francisco with those 3 guests having a wonderful experience for about 6 days is now a global phenomena that you all know about. We are now present in over 220 plus countries and regions, more than 110,000 cities across the world. And in India, we started our operations in 2016. And since then, we have thousands of listings in more than 120 plus cities all across India. All of this has been made possible only because of our amazing, warm, and diverse host community. Globally, we have more than 5 million hosts on the platform. And very recently, we collectively welcomed our 2 billionth guest on the platform. Every day, people like you and me who open up our homes, your primary homes, secondary homes, are able to bring guests into their community and share very authentic ways to travel, something that is becoming a key trend now. So what does this mean? This means that we have over 8 million listings across the world now, and this number has been growing steadily. In fact, we saw steady growth in the last quarter across all property types, across all regions, across all geographies, including in India. The objective of Airbnb now is to make sure that we make hosting easier day by day, hosting mainstream day by day. In fact, in the last 3 years, we've made almost 300 to 400 upgrades to our service, our platform, tools that are necessary to make hosting easier and to help guests find the most authentic, most unique stays on our platform. And we will continue to do that in the future as well. So let me talk a little bit about what's happening in India. I think everybody's always wanting to know how's the growth of the business here. So let me share this. Domestic nights booked in India, which is basically Indian guests, Indian hosts, grew by over 30% in the 3 quarters of this year versus the same period last year. Now, this growth has been happening on a very healthy base, and this gives us immense confidence in our product, in our offering, as well as our potential to bring more bookings to a beautiful host community across the country. This gives you a kind of a peek in terms of what's happening in India. Youth is at the heart of Airbnb in India. Last time we shared that almost 9 out of 10 first-time bookers on the platform are either millennials or Gen Z. And we see that trend continue as they're leading the chart for Airbnb bookings even now. What's also happening is that they don't travel solo. They travel either with their partner or with a friend, and we are seeing a steady increase in group travel on the platform, which is like a group size of about 4 and more, which lends very well to the Airbnb potential. What's also something that's unique to Airbnb is the fact that we are cultivating micro entrepreneurs. And almost 30% of the hosts in India are women hosts. And this is a number that is continuously growing year over year. In fact, women hosts on the platform earned over 200 crores in 2023. And that number would be far more this year as well. So clearly, Airbnb is nurturing micro entrepreneurship at a grassroots level, which is creating amazing opportunities in terms of social or financial empowerment. So let's talk about what's happening very recently. As we are in the winter season, it's a great time to travel. And so we are seeing a few trends shape up in terms of how people are searching booking on the platform. The top trending domestic destinations this winter, a lot of people are interested in the beaches. So Goa and Varkala are among the top choices. But a lot of people are also looking for cool escapes. So hill stations are also finding a lot of popularity. In fact, Shillong, Manali, Dalhousie, all of them are seeing record bookings on the platform and searches on the platform. But what we also see is a surge in terms of spiritual travel. So searches for destinations like Varanasi, Vrindavan, Tirupati, all have seen a surge in the last few quarters for us, and people are wanting to visit these places and also blend holidays while they visit their beautiful shrines. And it's just not in India. A lot of Indians like to travel overseas. And since we are a global platform in over 220 countries and regions in the world, we have a lot to offer for whatever people are looking for. In terms of the trending destinations for the winter, Phuket and Langkawi are making, a lot of noise. In fact, a lot of people are also visiting top cities like Rome, Tokyo, etc. But my favorite on the list is the one called Rovaniemi. This is basically a small town in north of Finland in the Lapland. In fact, it is the official town of Santa Claus. Definitely something on my bucket list, but a great place to go and see the Northern Lights as well. And we're definitely seeing people wanting to book a beautiful, unique Airbnb and witness this magical phenomena, in a very different way. Airbnb offers its properties in categories. That's something that makes our platform very unique. So based on whatever you like, based on your passion point, you can choose. These are the top 5 most booked categories for the winter. Clearly, tropical and beach had to be there. A lot of people are going to these destinations. But what people are also looking for are homes with amazing pools, like this one right in Goa. National parks. A lot of people have become responsible and conscious in terms of the places and the communities that they're visiting. And they really want to go and travel to these. And obviously, a lot of people still want to travel to a lot of top cities in the world, like we saw, Rome and Tokyo. And so these are some of the topmost categories that are getting booked on the platform. Let's see if you guys can guess. What is the most popular destination for Airbnb in India? Really, we have one winner in Goa. Goa has emerged as the most popular destination in India, not just for domestic tourists, but also for international travelers. In fact, we saw almost a 20% increase in nights booked for the first 3 quarters. And we've not even hit the season, which is Q4. And we are definitely seeing great momentum for that as well. And again, millennials and Gen Z are driving growth in this market. What we also see is that group travel dominates travel to Goa. So people are booking